Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I would like to share that we successfully organized 3 hybrid rice field day programs on Tuesday and Wednesday across the Hobbyganj and Sunamganj territory. The program was honored by the presence of our senior AGM, Mr. Saiful Islam sir, and manager, Mr. Firoz Kabir sir. Also joined Mr. Azizur Rahman, proprietor of Azizur Traders, along with our territory inserts, respected farmers and retailers. As part of the visit, we also covered our 4 key dealers. One is Silet Bizghar, Satta Traders, Durai Bizghar, and Islam Bizbandar. And during the sessions, we focused on Ogroni 7 and Sharathi 14 performance and our future varieties. We also focused on vegetable sales opportunities in the region. I think it was a productive and successful program with strong engagement. Thank you.